welcome to Chimos, camera wristwatch surveillance and smart home electronics. Are you security conscious and value recorded information which can serve as evidence at any time if there appears to be a controversy over the issue? Are you searching for where to get small, unnoticeable electronics which can help you to this effect? If your answer to the above questions is yes, you are in the right place. Introducing Chimos Wi-Fi wall clock hidden camera. The Wi-Fi wall clock hidden camera has IP-P2P for home security with wireless monitoring. It can be controlled from your cell phone and by PC by Wi-Fi transmissions. It has remote function and can shoot high-definition digital videos and pictures with high quality. It features Wi-Fi functions and can store the video's photos on SD memory card. It is perfect combination of undetectable wall clock and practical surveillance gadget. As a surveillance device, it can be set up in your home, office, or shop to monitor what is going on. And with meticulous design, this camera has small and lightweight and is very easy to carry and use. It's a covert way to keep an eye on the place for a long time, and the wall clock camera is a necessary device in a home security, office or school, and in many other fields. Payment is due on delivery. Check out our website for more information on Chimos Wi-Fi wall clock hidden camera.